You're probably stuck because you don't realize the power of partnering with others. You think, I'm gonna do this by myself, I'm gonna be rich, and the money I'm gonna keep all to myself, right? But what you need to understand is this is the missing piece, resulting in you being stuck where you are. You are relying on your own money, you are relying on your own ability to raise money, you are relying on your own time availability, you are relying on the skills that you may or may not have, and you are missing the potential to 10x the income that you've got because you are not utilizing other people and realizing that this is where my shortfall is, and in order for me to address this particular shortfall, I may need to bring someone else. And you may actually be setting yourself back, because if you realize most successful people have a person that they have collaborated with, so that then creates a very solid foundation for the two of them to partner and to go out into the world as a team, and they therefore conquer. So by you not partnering with others, you may just be doing yourself a disservice.